Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we change for u. The s and s we change for the u. So the integration of this one we have like this. About u that is about this one. Now about the second one, we use the same technique, but for this one we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so when we put number 1 gone here, so u equals to number 0. When s equals to e, we put e gone here, so u equals to number 1. So this one we change for number 0, this one we change for number 1, this one we change for u, the s and s we change for the u, and now we have the final answer. So we put the numbers gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.